If a newly installed supply valve blows off during a toilet install, shut the main water supply immediately to prevent flooding. First, close the main water supply valve and then open a nearby faucet to relieve system pressure so remaining water drains away from the failed connection. Check for active leaks and use towels or a mop to remove standing water quickly to protect finishes and lower the risk of slips. Visually inspect the valve and the end of the supply tube, focusing on the compression nut and the threads on the valve shank for cross-threading, missing ferrule, or visible damage. If the compression nut has backed off, do not force the valve back on with water pressure present. Instead, fully drain the line, remove the nut and ferrule, replace any damaged ferrule, and clean the threads before reinstalling by hand to ensure correct seating. Tighten the compression nut evenly with 2 tools. Hold the valve body steady with 1 wrench and snug the nut with a second wrench until hand snug plus 1/4 to 1/2 turn, avoiding over-tightening which can deform the ferrule and cause future failure. After reinstalling, slowly restore the main water supply while observing the connection, and check for leaks for at least 10 minutes. If you see seepage or the valve continues to fail, shut the water off again and call a licensed plumber. Common mistakes include not shutting the main supply first, which allows rapid flooding and complicates recovery. Fix that by making shutting the main valve your immediate practiced reflex. Another mistake is reusing a deformed ferrule or over-tightening the compression nut, which leads to leaks or blow-offs. Always inspect ferrules and replace them when in doubt and tighten only modestly after proper hand seating. A third problem is improper thread engagement or cross-threading when starting the nut, which damages the valve shank. To avoid this, start threading by hand until you feel smooth engagement, then use tools, and if alignment seems off, stop and realign rather than forcing the connection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like toilet installs and plumbing repairs, and provides a discussion community where we share tips and troubleshooting experiences. We help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and facilitating conversations between pros and homeowners so both sides can learn and connect.